Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Meet the Mayku FormBox, a desktop vacuum former that brings your business to life, powered by any vacuum cleaner. It works with a world of materials to help you turn your ideas into amazing products. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The FormBox molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop. Use clever materials to bring your imagination to life, like brilliant blue chocolates and personalized packaging. For brands that look as good as they taste, the FormBox puts the power of making in your hands. Use it with your 3D printer to build professional models in your studio. With high quality materials and finishes, rapidly create product prototypes to show clients your vision in real life. Ready to be your own boss? Make short runs of original, bespoke products from home. Take even the most simple idea and watch your business clean up. Sometimes you don't want to design from scratch. Explore our online library of projects. Find inspiration together to customize your home. Bring your next invention to life and give your 3D printer superpowers. Turn things lying around the house into tasty treats, or create the perfect prototype on your schedule to shape your vision your way. Start creating beautiful products, mold intricate shapes into remarkable objects. Put the power of making in your hands with the Mayku FormBox.
A lot of the most meaningful photographs come from traveling to places that people have never experienced before. And the effort that goes into capturing that moment for people to enjoy, those are the moments that I live for. Those moments are rarely captured under the best conditions. Adding Riverbank to my gear kit enables me to go further off the grid and handle any situation. Riverbank is the first module portable power solution of its kind. The main module has 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, and it supports wireless charging. There's also an LED screen that shows you how much battery life you have left, how much power your devices are drawing, and what ports you're using. The AC module has a standard 110-volt AC port and can be connected to the main module to increase my overall power capacity. The versatility of combining both modules allows me to create a portable workstation wherever. I can charge my laptop 4 times, camera batteries 18 to 20 times, phone 18 to 30 times. And even when I'm all out of ports on my laptop, I can use Riverbank as a USB hub to transfer photos from my SD card to my computer. The car jump starter module could jumpstart my car up to 10 times in one charge, and also adds power capacity when stacked with the Riverbank main module. And this thing keeps me on the road and on time for the next shoot. All 3 modules are less than 100 watt-hours each. This makes Riverbank the largest capacity power station you can legally fly with. The Riverbank can be used to power the whole team during a meeting. It can power my laptop in busy coffee shops where wall outlets aren't accessible, and the extra adapter tips make Riverbank compatible with most laptop models. And I can recharge it with EcoFlow's portable solar panels when I'm outside, so I still have juice to power my barbecues with friends at the end of the day. Wherever I am in the world, Riverbank keeps me powered and connected so that I never miss a moment.
Introducing the world's first customizable e-sneaker, Vixole. Vixole has a built-in flexible LED display that allows you to personalize your footwear with thousands of unique designs and photos instantly from your smartphone. The slim, modern design is available in black and white. Vixole allows you to upload your personal designs, GIFs, and photos right from your smartphone. Simply capture, upload, and display. You can also create your own designs or choose from thousands of existing graphics on the Vixole Design Marketplace. It's equipped with 8 different sensors. OpenAPI gives you limitless possibilities. The Vixole motion capture system allows for integration within the VR and AR world. It also captures your foot movement in the real world instantly and reacts to your every move.
There we go, we're done. This is it, hustle. If I can wear shoes that electronically state grind, I'm done. That's all I need. Not gonna sound like give me a picture.
You could be promoting your brand on your shoe. You can make it a statement. You know, it could be something you want to protest, or you might want to, I don't know, stand up for the rights of somebody. You can slap that symbol on here without having to say a word. Every step you take, people get to see what you represent. So for me, like, I can't wait till it's like available to everybody. I want to buy several pairs, have my staff wear them.
What intrigued me about this product is the simplicity and the minimalist design and nature of the shoe in combination with the LED flexible display that's in the back of the shoe. So the fusion of both those make this an intriguing product, both for the fact that it looks cool and stylistic and very minimal. At the same time, they control the technology allows you to display different features.
It's water and heat resistant. Battery life lasts for up to 8 hours and recharges wirelessly in just 2 hours. We wanted to take the experience even further. Introducing Vixole Premium, equipped with HD OLED display that allows you to showcase your artwork and designs in ways never before possible.
If you're looking for a stronger core and better balance, step up to the next generation of training with the new M-Pad Balance and Strength Trainer from Modern Movement. The M-Pad transforms your workout into a dynamic, live gaming and training experience by syncing up with the free M-Track app so you can play, train, and measure results while you work out. Just download M-Track to your smartphone and choose a function mode. Play lets you enjoy interactive games while you work out. Train gives you exercises and movements and tracks them in real time. And Measure offers a full menu of instability tests that identify your strengths. Gauge your balance ability while tracking your progress from one workout to the next. When you're ready, place your phone in the built-in cradle and start moving. The M-Pad features 3 rubber base pads for multiple levels of balance and strength training. Start with one pad to build your confidence, then add more to increase your level of challenge as you progress. With a wide range of repetitious tilt and swivel motions that mimic real-life movements, the M-Pad builds your balance and engages your core muscles, while the M-Track app lets you play, train, and measure your results right from your phone or TV. The new M-Pad is solidly built with commercial-grade materials, features a textured surface for better traction, collapses easily for storage, and is compact enough to slip into your gym bag or backpack, so you can train at home in front of the TV, from your stand-up desk at the office, or at the gym with weights. Sync up, work out, get results. MPAD and M-Track, the next generation of training from Modern Movement.